In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request payments in FreshBooks. This process is an essential tool for managing your invoices efficiently and ensuring that your cash flow remains steady. So let's dive into the steps you need to follow to request payments with ease. First, let's open up your web browser and head over to the FreshBooks website. You can easily find it through a quick Google search or by typing in myfreshbooks.com directly into your address bar. Once the page loads, look for the Login button, which you will see clearly displayed on the home page. Next, go ahead and click on Login. You'll be prompted to enter your FreshBooks account credentials. Just fill in your email and password, and you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. It's important to make sure you have your login details handy before starting this process so that everything runs smoothly. With your dashboard now on the screen, focus your attention on the left-hand side where you'll spot the Invoices section. Click on Invoices and you'll be transported to a page that lists all the invoices you've created. This is where you have a comprehensive view of what's pending, what needs action, and more. Once you've located the invoice you want to request a payment for, look for the Edit button beside it. Clicking this will open up the invoice details, allowing you to modify and manage various aspects of it. Now that you're inside the invoice editor, you'll notice an option labeled Request a Deposit. This is where you can set up the terms for the advance payment you require. Click on this option, and you'll see a couple of choices presented to you next. Here, you have the flexibility to decide whether you'd like to request a percentage of the total invoice amount or a flat amount as the deposit. This feature provides you with the adaptability to work in a manner that best suits your business needs and customer relationships. Once you've made your decision, you simply need to choose your desired option and click on it. You'll then be prompted to type in the specific amount you wish to request. Enter the figure that aligns with your chosen method, be it percentage or flat value. After inputting the amount, you can confirm that the deposit request has been set up. You'll see a notification or an indicator showing that the deposit has been requested. It's a visual confirmation ensuring everything is in order and ready to proceed. And there you have it, a seamless experience to request payments via FreshBooks. Following these steps not only keeps your financial management on point, but also fosters better financial interactions with your clients. Thank you for joining in, and make sure to keep managing your finances effectively and efficiently.